Do you recognize that frustration when hard work on a small account just isn't pay off? You have tried numerous strategies without tangible success. This video is for you. Let me share the method that finally worked for me and could change your course too. Let's go. An exclusive surprise awaits you. Watch the entire video and prepare to be astonished. Guys, today we're gonna use 10 seconds on time frame and classic candles. Alright, and we're gonna use only two indicators, moving average and Awesome Oscillator. Okay, for the first line we're gonna use 20 double and May. The color is up to you. The second one, it's fifth, is the same. Alright, and for Awesome Oscillator we're gonna use 6 and 34. So don't forget to change that. We're gonna start with amount with 57, starts with 35. And 1 minute on expiration time. Now we have all this set up, so let's start with this, our first one, and I'll explain that after this. Alright guys, for those who are interested in platform resistance, link in this video description, okay, for proxy option. So as for this method guys, it's very good moment to open the position. We just open that as a buy button. First of all, I define what the Awesome Oscillator. Okay, if I open the position in upward direction like this is now in this case, the candles of Awesome Oscillator should also be in an upward direction and their position should increase like steps. It's kinda stairs. Alright, and also in combination with this, the blue and yellow line of moving average should cross each other and moving upwards. Follow the same direction, okay? As you can see, the first open position is still a very good situation and we are safe. I think so. And the trade of the current pair is moving steadily upward. And let's see what is happening. Look at this. The first one successfully won. 4, 5, 6, and 7 the total, guys. Remember, this is just a marijuana technique that can transform your journey in this market to become a professional. It's video to master the most lucrative strategies, but don't worry, I've prepared 2 exclusive pieces of content that will be essential for a dev month. Stay with me until the end of the video. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright, I think that's also a wonderful moment, guys. I'm looking at the Awesome Oscillator cans again, the stairs. As you can see, they are steadily increasing the upward direction. Also, this particular currency pair has a very good uptrend, but this metal does not carry a specific uptrend or downtrend, guys, like other metals. Okay, the main thing is, as I already told you, is stable movement of the candles. Notice also that I don't open a position in the first crossing of the yellow and blue lines of the moving average, because the moving average line should fix a specific direction, then crossing is considered a strong signal. It's not always, alright? And let's wait a little bit more because we are about to get this one. Oh my gosh, that is so tired. Oh yeah, we got this, baby. 76 profits. $105. Look at this. It's a great win, guys. For the second one, let's go. Again and again, we have a bullish signal from all indicators. Therefore, I open the position in the upward direction as the previous one, although we have some red candles on this. Maybe get a revert or I don't know. The main things for me is to follow the method as it is. My advice would be never change a particular method, guys, while trade, because after 2 or 3 losses in a row, you can win 8 or more. There are also cases when you close several positions and lose think that method does not work, but it's not like this. But the metals are tested by long-term trading, not by opening several positions, guys. So don't feel upset or think everything's going so perfect. So patient, guys. Patient become risk management. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. That is the way. And look this again. 134, 169 of profits at the total. $57 to $170, guys. 3 win of the 3 trades. This metal is an offer many metal does to its simplicity. But always watch the very detailed of the video, guys. And I'm discussing that as well to find helping to improve your knowledge. So if you like this video, just leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, please. And I wish you good profit, guys. Good operations, and have a good one. And see you in the next live. Bye bye.